Just want to say something about England. I almost had to use frozen peas to do this because you just can't go to 7-Eleven and get ice. Mostly because there are no 7-Elevens, but they can't even understand why Americans put ice in drinks. They're like, it's water. And I say, yeah, well, so it makes the drink cold. And they say, so? Oh. I'd like to note that this water's already cold because it's outside and we're in England in August. And there's a fire there that's not for ambiance, it's because it's cold out here. Gotta crush them up because I don't think being knocked unconscious by a big chunk of ice is part of the challenge. Okay, this is for you, Slime. Wait, I got to call out. I don't know if they've been called out before, but Joshua and Faith and Kevin or Paul. I'll do Paul. And it's starting to rain. I don't know if I've ever seen this done in the rain. Okay, ready?
He's accepting the ice bucket challenge.
Okay, go.
Okay.